Didi.
I'm in United States. Obakala. On my house. So, I don't want to, let my daughter go and meet. Matter innocent. Where? Now, boy, I know. So, man, got a shop here the other day. Well, I'm not going to shop here. Because one here, them was area. Oto she was a woman. Oba ni wo onye odi on people where guy go had the ground. As this man, on his own, no matter what I was on, he won't me hard job, everybody give me hard job. You go here me home, mama go give me home. Answer this man, he got share as you. Oga ogibonya you put about. See Anna, we are here. I are here because he was woman. Because he was woman, I can say that Papa was woman. I hope he meets them here. He just won that day, when Uzuko Pasaria. Papa Muno at the age of 80, I never have one.
90.
Papa Kemo, 8. Papa, for 90 years. Papa Nege, say, he can let you naked. He can let you naked, and Papa 90. I'm sure it don't go to 100 or 200. I will have Pampas. All my old Omena allow you to remember. Because at 90, right here at home, I hope some of you know here, Papuna not in one home. If you're weekend, that day, now you can go. Every little that you will go in peace. You go protected. Yes. You go under the cover. The evil ones there will not see you. Amen. You will bury your father. Your children will bury you. Amen. I speak the same concerning any of you here. Amen. That are under the sound of my voice. Amen. You will not die young. Amen. This is one appointment that the other man does not know. This appointment, your father didn't know that he was going to die the day he died. It's an appointment that only God knows. Yes. That makes him supreme. Yes. That makes him the Almighty. That makes him the beginning and the end. You see, all these struggles that we are struggling here, they're all vanity. Whether this man had land or not, because the other day I met you inside the bus, carrying your Indomie around. I said, this man is still struggling with how many shops in this town. When you are carrying your Indomie, you carry 2 cartons of Indomie. Call this boy to carry 1 carton. Begin to teach them the art of making money. Yes. Because, is it a man of God that said about Dantata? Trillion. He has left wahala, problem to the family. Yes. Me too, I'm guilty of it.
Court case.
Court case. In fact, some of them, he won't know. Yeah. They won't know. Yeah. But he has left the whole thing in the hands of the children. See, we are chasing shadows. What is important to us? And what should be important? Well, the relationship with God. That's what matters. I'm a businessman. I started business at a very young age. Very soon I'll be 65. By the grace of God. I have children. My sweet wife here. Mama dear. No. Because you see, all the men in this house, if you don't respect your wife, your government will be troubled. Because you say you are the master, because you will only solo. As this woman now here. If they decide to topple you today, and decide to topple you today, with their children, you are a minority. I must tell you, I'm a man of God. With your children, you are a minority. So you don't have to respect you. I respect you, man. So, because you know the more being Odo, Ugwu. That is how, and that is why a lot of people they are told no job. Because you see me here. What don't work? They are calling my daughter. Now go. But now was gone. Now no one's going to go. Masia no see me here. More. I know what man's gone. The Igbo, okay, other states. No one politics. I was one time chairman of PDP in other states. But I have a coalition. That day, I didn't sleep with the coalition at home. Come on, we are in coalition. We want you to be with us. Collide the white channel when I come back. So some of you know totally my politics. Now they are number. Come on, one it's on Nigeria. Put one leg in Nigeria, one leg here. Yeah. Oh, that's the name. They want to go Elena.
I support my husband in the all the way to Manaha Jesus. All the way to Manaha Jesus. All the way to Ihe the Basar, you could even need it. All the way to Manaha Jesus.
Thank you, sir. Biko, muna fugonya bo na-emepego ụzọ fọ etu esi ekwunya bụ okwu na etu esi edozi ya. Anyị kpakwa ya ka o lotekwa ihe merenụ. Anyị gbakwa onwe anyị ka anyị lotekwa na igwe niile ga-eje n'ụzọ ọkụ ya. Den anyị lotekwala onwe anyị na anyị akpakwa onwe anyị amụ dịka o ji wee endie ya. Ụnụ mechakwa ụnụ nọkọkwa na nnọkọ atịghị nọ na nzukọ ndị Igbo bụ abụrụ ịbịa nọkọ nọ ịbịa nọkọ nwere aṅụrị asụ ụmụnne. So okwu na-atọ eji ya aka ebe a ife na-atọ anyị lotekwa na ife amelụ nna anyị ebe o jebelụ na 90 years na enwe ka anyị nwere rụpụzie 120 mana ya nwa na-ekwuzi na enwe ka anyị na-eruzi 120 ọ bụrụ anyị agbawago anyị ife n'ike anyị na-anyụ anyị na-agbọ agbọ maka anyị na-ele onwe anyị anya kịta anyị na-ele onwe anyị anya na anyị karịkwa nwa 20 ahụ anyị wee bịa obodo oyibo dịka Reverend Father Richard kwuru na papa ya na-asị obere nwa ahụ. So ị na-ele onwe gị anya ị na-efeel your spirit is young onye na-akọs ya your spirit is younger than your flesh. So ọ bụla your spirit na-agba gị anyị ka dị obere ọ naghị egotere gị. So ị werezie mmiri n'ezi onwe gị anya ọ ga-aghọtazi ife egwu na-akụ. Iweta pikchọ gị mgbe ị bere mpe efu na iru gị niile atịbago na ọ gbadabago na ọ bụrụ na ụmụ onye akpọ Berlusconi n'ụlọ kwesịrị ije chọọ jụọ Berlusconi ebe ọ ga-eme special treatment ya. Ekele n'ụlọ biko ana m enyefe microphone to the vice president nzukọ ndị Igbo ka ọ gwa anyị okwu.
onye bụ otu ahapụ ya jewara anyị ma na-anọgide na ya na-asị na ife ọ bụ eziokwu mana oge a bidoro ihe anụwa anyị na-abịacha chọpụtara ya bụ ihe na ọ bụ eziokwu na anyị bido emere n'ezie. Ana m afụ ihe dị n'ọnwụ dịka otu a Chikọba si wee kwuo sị na ọ dị ka ọgwụ si na-enye daa n'ilu nwa ngwụrọ ọ gaghị agbanwe ọsọ, ọ gaghị aga nwa ije, o wee sị ya na nwata ebe ka nwa asịba ahụ ewere ọkwa sị na ya nwa adịghị ebe ka ife ji rapụ ya kama ọ bụzi ka ụwa n'ụlọ onwe ya. Ọnwa abịago ọ gaghị anaghachi azụ. Ọ bụrụ na our loved one pụọ jebe anyị nwa na-ebe akwa, ihe m fụrụ na ya abụrụ na anyị nwa na-ebe akwa na o jebere, ọ bụrụ ya nwa, maka na onye nwe ya bụ ndụ ụbọchị o wetara ya bụ ndụ n'ụwa anyị nwere enwe aṅụrị na-eseblet. Mwute na-ewute anyị anya m eji apụ anyị n'anya bụ if only ọ bụrụ na o nwere ka ya bụ onye wetara ndụ ga-esisa anyị na mbọsị ọ ga-ewere ya bụ ndụ jee ebe ahụ na-ebere akwa anyị nwadụ prepare kwadosie ọfụma bọsị ahụ ọ na-apụ onye nwere ife na-ewere ife ama na-enwere aṅụrị na-enye ebere send off before the date safe and able. So mwute anyị na-abụkarịsị na ọ na-ewere ya mgbe a na-atụara anya ọ ya mere anyị ji anyị niile amụ ọsọ na ejiri aka n'isi jiri aka n'igwe bee akwa. Only one family Adaigbo and not in to the group. Otumba 2 years ago in Adaigbo. I still remember one day man said that in the American Senate, ever said that I was once okay, we was like you. One day, yeah, you be like us. Yeah. So only one family. You are not alone. I never must go away shake it down. Well, onye ọbụla mata na ọnọdụ anyị nwa na ebe atata is ọbụgo more or less former way ndị Igbo nọ na Christian of one horse were ebe their own condolence maka ndị Igbo sị na ofu onye siere ọha ọmụeresi ha siere ofu onye so ọ bụgo ewe anyị niile nọ ebe a na Christian of one horse ga-esi na-abụ ihe otu a mee. I have a former place and then they pay condos to the person. Like all now money in there, but they can't ever, and it's like no, that they want after the other. Only want to see how they and the home must say, Papa, and I all put the water, no, and I'm with it. And also, if I thought I want to celebrate a good life. Lived by our Papa, Obelete Children Chief. Innocent. Emmanuel. So, upon Chief Emmanuel, not a kidnapper, not a just robber. No, but I got only one asked only I was an hour. Who was it for the then? We go thank God that's taking with you. And all family almost kidnappers. I put back, so, because of the Judah holding and the same Judah holding, we cannot celebrate. And don't matter nearby, she did not send to know now family in the way, keep her in the same life. otu aga masị ebe anyị na-ekwuru nye aka mesi ebe ha niile together. So na mmesi Chifonowu ị ga-ebukwa na mmụọ na onye a na-asa anya n'ọpụgo. So na-asị na ka anyị nwa n'ebe a na-asị gị baị oge ị ga-eje Naijiria ga mebi fulana gasịkwa gị nnọọ nne ya welcome back. Ọ ga-adị ọrụ mma biko onye ọbụla bibie na nke oshi.